Welcome to my kitchen. Today on Cooking Show at Home, I'm going to show you how to make crispy zucchini fritters. I'll be making mine in the air fryer. You'll find the full list of ingredients on the screen and in the description below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious vegetarian and pescatarian recipes from around the world. Watch this video until the end because I'll also show you how to make a creamy garlic yogurt dip, inspired by the famous New York Halal Street white sauce. It pairs perfectly with these zucchini fries. Now, let's get cooking. First, peel the zucchini and slice them into long strips about ½ inch wide. Then cut them in half. Place them in a bowl, sprinkle with about ½ a teaspoon of salt, and let them sit for 10 minutes. After that, squeeze out as much liquid as possible using a clean cloth. Next, season the zucchini with 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and ½ a tablespoon of paprika. Then mix well. To keep things mess-free, I'll coat them in flour using a plastic bag. For this amount of zucchini, I'm using 1/2 cup of flour and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. The starch will help give extra crispness. Now, crack 1 egg into a bowl. Add some crushed black pepper, and whisk it well. In a second bowl, prepare about 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Line your air fryer tray with aluminum foil and lightly brush or spray it with oil. Now, dip each zucchini piece into the egg. Coat it evenly with breadcrumbs and arrange on the tray. Work in batches until all the zucchini is coated. I'm setting the air fryer to 420 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes, but I'll check them a little earlier to avoid burning. While the fritters are cooking, let's make the dipping sauce. You'll find the full list of ingredients on the screen and in the description below. Start with ½ a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and ½ a teaspoon of garlic powder. Add 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 teaspoon of 5% white vinegar. Season with black pepper and fresh dill to taste. And that's it. Our garlic yogurt sauce is ready. Now, the zucchini fritters are golden brown and perfectly crispy. Time to serve. They taste best while hot, but even cold, they make a great snack. Dip them into the sauce and enjoy. If you liked this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tasty vegetarian and pescatarian dishes.